Okay, I'm gonna say it before anybody else can say it. Yes, with the stripes and yes, with the purple hair, I do kind of resemble the Hamburglar. Okay, it's out there. I said it. It's not funny anymore. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Ooh. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. You guys, I really didn't even know what to name this video because it's a food place beside my school. It's like another takeout place. You know how like I had the honey wings from DC's curry out. It's another see DC people call them curry outs, but it's another food place. Hold on, let me get the menu. They're called New Grace Chinese. It's a curry out near my school. They have this food called honey wings. It's like wings, like it's honey sauce on them. They're so freaking good. No one makes them like them, and they have the best lo mein. Now, guys, I haven't eaten all day long, so I'm just gonna bust into this egg roll right now because I feel like if I don't eat right now, I'm gonna die. And honestly, okay, my food been here for like 2 hours already, and I was just doing other stuff, and I really couldn't, I didn't eat right then and there, but I'm so hungry right now, I haven't eaten all day, and not all day as in like, oh, I haven't eaten in a long time. Literally, I have not eaten all day long, and it is now 12:14 in the morning. It's a whole nother day. I didn't realize how hungry I was to actually smoke the food. Like I was putting everything out the bag. I caught a whiff and almost went the fuck berserk. I ordered a shrimp egg roll, but they gave me a pork egg roll. What if I didn't eat pork? Mm. You guys. Oh my god. Amazing. Amazing. Okay, so I'm back at school. Y'all know that already, and they give us meal tickets because it was orientation week, and dinner be at like 5 o'clock. And I was like, you know, I was home. I just got off work. I was like, I'm too tired to go back on campus, so I just went to sleep. With a full moon. I got a large strip lo mein with no vegetables. I got a General Toast chicken with white rice. Ooh, it's still steaming. It's still hot. The honey wings with French fries. Oh my gosh, you guys, like amazing, amazing. What I want to eat first? And I got my chopsticks with me. Oh my gosh, I'm about to just dive in. Yeah, I'm so hungry. Oh my gosh. Mmm. Mmm. Ginger chicken is kind of sweet, and it's just so good. And the rice complements it so well. What I normally get though, what I normally get though is bourbon chicken. The bourbon chicken from this place is like phenomenal. It's like amazing. And and they ran out of bourbon chicken, so I was so like disheartened. I was like, you know what? I don't even want to film no more. Fuck it, I won't eat for days. But I was like, what should I get other than a bourbon chicken? The guy he know me because I called there. And he was just like, just get the General Toast. And I was like, okay, I guess I'll get the General Toast. This is so good, you guys. Like, I really wish I could just give you something through the camera. Like, here, eat with me, eat, manja. I'm playing, but this is really like so delicious. Like, this is what dreams are made of. Yeah, whenever I see like negative comments on or like main comments, I don't really pay them any mind because I know like main comments like those are just gonna come with the views. Like people are just passing by and people are just like they don't get me, they don't understand me and all that. So I really don't like mind the negative comments and I know like it's just how YouTube operates and all that. Um, and they don't bother me at all. Like I promise you, they don't bother me, guys. You guys always like I feel so sad and like I guess like sympathize with me like yeah I'm okay I'm fine like those comments did not hurt my feelings or anything. But you guys, I just want to say this. This is like shocking. Okay, I know like I have like a lot of food on camera and all that. You guys are like, whoa, that's a massive amount of food sometimes. Um, but I don't eat all of the food. Like I don't like consume it all on camera in like one day in one sitting. Normally, I'll save it, or like when I was home, I'll give it to my sister and all that because she come home from school and she be like she want lunch and everything. She don't eat school lunches, and I'll give it to her. Sometimes I'll just like you know what I'll eat it later on. Like I'll just pick the food up and like have leftovers, eat it later on. But I want to say this: since I started doing mukbangs, I've actually lost weight. I know y'all are like what? Like that's crazy. You know, like I really have. I was when I was 'cause when I was home, I was working, so I'll just get up, go to work, and I'll work all day long and all that. And I would eat at work because I was working at Chipotle at the time, and I'll eat a burrito or a bowl at work and everything. And when I come home, I'll be full. I'll take a shower. I'll like get ready for the next day, and like you know, rinse, wash, repeat. So it was like I was eating like all of these like a big amount of food every single day. I actually lost weight since I started the mukbang the mukbang segment of my channel, and life has been great, guys. Oh my gosh, these are my favorite, favorite lo mein noodles. Like, they make the best lo mein noodles, guys. And with me, lo mein isn't just about the flavor, okay? Lo mein isn't just about the flavor. Lo mein to me is about the texture. Ooh, I'm sorry. Ooh, I'm drunk. Lo mein is about the texture. It has to feel right. It has to feel like food. Not like food, but you know, like a little bit chewy, good as hell. I love this soy. This is my favorite soy sauce. I don't want to give too much promo because they ain't paying me. This is my favorite soy sauce. I always eat the soy sauce with this food. It's still kind of warm too, like, yeah. Me, guys, okay, me personally, I don't like hot food. Like, I don't like when you have to blow on your food. I don't like that at all. I like my food to be, like, room temperature, not cold, but I'm not obliged to like cold. Like, I literally went in the refrigerator and pulled out, like, some old, like, noodles and ate them cold. But, like, I like my food I hate having to like that's wasting time. Like I can be, eating and all that, and then it's like it's. I don't know. It's like you're blowing with the food. You have to like eat it slowly, and then when you don't like, you're like starving. So you start eating it fast. You can't really taste the food. Like no, I don't like that. You guys, um, they have the best lo mein ever. The way they cook it, the texture of it. This is my favorite, guys. Like this lo mein is everything. God. Guys, like I'm literally a garbage disposal, so don't pay me any mind right now. Why is that so good? I don't understand why that was so good. Until the honey wings, you guys. I always pull ketchup. Hold on, let me fix this. Because I'm always recommending people to eat here. It's been so long since I had this because before I left to go home from school, they stopped delivering for some reason. I don't know if something happened to the delivery guy, but this place stopped delivering. So me and Zaina, my best friend, was so annoyed. We was just like, "What? You don't deliver no more? Like, what do you mean you can't do this?" Us like we was like so annoyed. So it's been a long time since I had these honey wings. Lord, please let the recipe be the same. Um, I love when that the little chicken is like a little ball. That is so funny to me. I can't explain it, y'all. Even I feel it. Oh my god. You know, Y'all, these are called honey wings and French fries. Yo, the wing, it's like a honey sauce. I don't know how to like describe it. It's like a honey bourbon sauce. Mm. The chicken is so sweet, guys. And you know how ketchup got like a tangy taste? So if you eat it with a fry with ketchup on it, if you eat it with a fry with ketchup on it, like the acidity cuts through it. Look at me trying to sound old fashioned. Y'all hear me? Mm. I went through an entire day with no food just so I can enjoy this. Amazing. Um, y'all, so should I eat some more lo mein? Should I eat some more lo mein? Should I eat some more General Post chicken with white rice? Or should I eat some more honey wing with French fries? I want you guys to go on Twitter, cast your votes. If you're team lo mein, let me know. If you're team honey wing, let me know. If you're team General Post chicken, let me know. And we'll be right back with the results. No, I'm kidding. Could you imagine like just playing like polls? Okay, you got no. I'm kidding. Yeah, I'm playing, y'all. I'll eat some more honey wings just because I haven't had that so long and it's so good. Don't y'all love a good strong soda, you know, with the acid? You just feel it burn in the inside. Did you guys go, oh my gosh, you guys, like this is literally like one of my favorite places to eat. Like this is not the last time you will see me eating this right here because they don't have the bourbon chicken that I normally always get. And didn't having that bourbon chicken, it discouraged me. And I was just like, I don't even want to make it anymore. But I was like, you know what? Why not just make two? Make one now and make one later. So I was just like, why not? So I will do that. Not later as in like later on today, but later probably like later on in the school semester when I'm just like, I feel like I'm on another mukbang. What should I eat? I don't know where I want to go to this guy right here. Hope you guys like today's video. If you have any other video suggestions, leave them down below. And I'll leave down below all my social media information so you can follow me on any social media platform that you like. It's all listed below. You guys, I'm so shocked that this light stayed on this entire time. Like, I really had a big fear that this light was going to turn off in the middle of me like filming a video. So I'm glad that it like held out because for some reason it kept saying that like the battery was low. I'm like, I just charged you up, bitch. So what do you mean you're low? But anyway, that's another story, I guess. See you guys.